Hello. In this video, we're going to talk about working with breakpoints. Breakpoints are closely related to the debugger. Some would say it's part of the debugger, but with the debugger, you're generally working with errors that have been made in the code, things that make the thing not run, make your program not run. Whereas breakpoints are useful when the code will run, but it's not giving you the results you want. Something or other is happening. Some variables being set to a value that's just not quite what you want. So you'd like to be able to come in and look through the program while it's running, and that's what it does. So we close the error list here, and to set a breakpoint, we come down to any line and just click over here in the left margin. So it's that little red dot. And now when we run the program, we'll start debug. It'll run to that line and then stop. And that's almost the end of the code, so it almost puts the window out there, and there it is. The line turns yellow. Now for anything above that, any of the variables, we can hover and see what the values are. See if they've been set, see if that's what we wanted them to be, see if that's what we expected them to be, and generally find what's going on. Now sometimes, sometimes you find it right away, sometimes you don't. Sometimes you need to step through your code a little bit from that line where you actually stopped. So we can do that. There's some controls up at the top. There's 2 or 3 of them. There's one that's the primary one we use, which is right here on the left, step into. Now when I click this, bang, it just moves down to the next line. And you can do that and keep going through the code till you're done. But eventually you'll be done with this. And the way you get out of this mode is under the debug menu up here. You just come up and select debug, stop debugging. And that'll exit us from this code operation mode, code execution mode. So now we're ready to go on. We've figured out what's wrong. We make our changes. Now we need to get rid of this breakpoint. So we just click the dot, goes away. And now we can run our program. If we've made our changes, everything will run. And that's all we need to do.